What's up, guys? Welcome to Extreme Dealer Drivers. It's your boy, and it is early. It is early on a Sunday morning. It's a big day. Today, the Lude is going to its first car show. So I had some stuff I had to do late last night or late yesterday to get the car ready. Obviously, washed and waxed and all that good stuff. I had some trim I had to straighten out and a couple other things. But the car is looking good, man. All vacuumed out and everything like that. I'll give you guys a much better view of the car once we get there. So yeah, we're headed to the first car show that not only this car's ever been in, but I've actually ever been in. And it's the Clean Culture in Kissimmee or the Orlando area. It's kind of over by Disney World. So we got like a 40-minute drive there. Shouldn't be too bad. The weather is 60 out right now, or high 50s, something like that. It's not really that cold, but it's gonna go to 70 today. So it's gonna be a beautiful day. I think we're actually inside, since we're in the VIP section. I went to this show last year. I didn't film it or anything like that, just kind of walked around, and it's a pretty cool show. So there were cars inside last year, and I'm not sure if that's where all the VIPs go or whatever, but we're about to find out.
Yeah, I'm all in. Brody on the line, I'm tapping in. God out here pulling the strings for me. A girl on the line, she feeling me. Preoccupied by the motivation. Put in the time, pay the entry fee. Bro on the right, yeah, he kinda nice.
So they're actually doing security checks. Make sure you don't have a bomb under your hood or something like that.
The God, I ain't chasing no bitch. Swinging the miss, got me hitting these licks. I get the orders, don't get it distorted. Disconnected, I've been cordless, I've been cordial, I've been exploring. I got a whole lot, but somehow I want more of it. Yeah, I went to tour and put on for the soil. Hey, bruh, remember they used to ignore us? Now they dropped me the pin with the cord and they catch me running through the ordinance. Remember we couldn't afford the whip. Pushing the scraper, that shit was so ageless. We blowing on grapes for the flavors. All of a sudden we major, still independent by no label. For now I'm going hard enough that the streams will lead to a house by the beach. All of this done with the speech. Filling my pockets for now, for later. I want the picket for some sign of the neighbors. I used to skip out on the payments. Nowadays I tax for the labor. Dog on the line, yeah, he tapping in. I'm staying clear, fake rapper friends. Kamikaze on the traffic cam. Only one shot to navigate the labyrinth of keeping it late, burn it down to the ash. My life been much more than imagine. I got where I'm at with the passion. Traded all to live it backwards. Pray we ain't make it through the night. Hope we ain't make it through the night. You can see it when you look into my eyes. When you look into my eyes, you can see that I'm grind all day. Life been going my way. Life been going my way. When I grind all day. Life been going my way. Going my way. Yeah, the word on my back like a atlas. Lit down the ashes. She do not come with no practice. Recipe, passion, and liquor with God in the passenger. Prayer that crashes. I'm in my basket. Blissful but ignorant. I'm dapper but ratchet. I play around in the traffic. I take the risk. Look at me stack up the chips. I play roulette with the magnum. Right till I die. I'm not afraid of the casket. I'm on the run. I'm chasing the thrills. I'm hungry. I'm starving. I lust for the meal. Lately, I'm blue like the bills. Yeah. I'm elevated, overeducated. I run the race for who I resonate with. I break the bread with you who work the late shift. Break the ground, shake up the simulation. Reshape the sound, needed renovation. All that quickly vacated the premises. I feed off my enemy entities. I rock the crown with a tilt. Ain't nobody done it like this. I'm having fun, I'm wild. I spaz when I serve with the stylist. I'm breaking them over with the hits. Only got one life to live. I'm antisocial at the function. They make me out to be the bad guy. I circle micro, if you had a scope, you still couldn't see us through the glass eyes. Real evasive when it's average chasers. Dressed to kill like I'm going places. Better late than fake, just hoping that we make it. Pray we ain't make it through the night. Hope we ain't make it through the night. You can see it when you look into my eyes. When you look into my eyes, you can see that I'm grind all day. Life been going my way. Life been going my way. When I grind all day. Life been going my way. You can see that I'm grind all day. Life been going my way. Going
help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me. Now I can't keep her ass on me. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me. Should've seen a look when they saw me. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me. Now I can't keep her ass on me. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me. Should've seen a look when they saw me. They ain't happy, they just shot. Killed Nipsey, they touched pop. Can't believe that I made it here. Niggas bust rounds in my bus stop. No help, all me, get money on 3 game plan. In the hills, talking real figures. Got heel figure on the waistband. Like 4 bands, 4 hours, fuel efficient. Just know I get it done. Life a dream, life a game, all the same. Look like I really won. Roll the dice, you could bet that. Came back from a setback. Front pocket full of head pack. About to do a show, then I head back. Like, hold up, watch how you talk to me. I be too petty for play. I need my fatty today. Waking up early so I get ahead of the day. It worked for me better that way. Better go get it, you young and you able. They did not save us a seat at the table. I did it all with no help from a label. Came a long way just from stealing that cable.
So that's it, guys. The Lude made it home safe. We didn't win any awards, but that's okay. We had a real good time playing. Thanks so much for watching the video. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Take care.